Before installation, gather all the recommended tools. Installing the pedestal. First, measure and mark the 4 mounting holes on the concrete using a tape measure and the pedestal as a guide. Drill 12 mm holes at these marks. Next, tap for bolts into the holes and remove the nuts with a socket wrench. Setting them aside. Remove the lower rear cover of the pedestal by taking out the 8 screws with a T25 Torx screwdriver. Set aside the cover and screws. Position the pedestal over the bolts, aligning it correctly, and thread the L1, N, and ground cables through the bottom or side. Secure the pedestal by reinstalling the nuts with a socket wrench. Finally, route the pay cable into one hole in the copper row and connect the L1 and N cables to the micro circuit breaker by crimping the terminals. Installing the pause device. First, use a T25 Torx screwdriver to remove the 8 screws from the upper rear cover of the pedestal and set the cover and screws aside. Place the rubber gasket between the pause device and the mounting frame, aligning the holes. Secure the pause device to the frame with 4M for screws. Then mount the pause device with the gasket and frame onto the kiosk pedestal using another 4M for screws. Next, connect the common end of the Y cable to the Pater Apollo, ensuring the MDB is correctly positioned. Attach the 4G antenna to the main port on the Pater Apollo. Turn on the power switch. Test pause device startup. If normal power, reattach the lower rear cover of the pedestal by reinstalling all 16 screws. And that's it. You're done.